Hello. This is example number 9 from the first lecture 4.01 of P block elements 1516. Stage 1 question for NEET. This question is example number 9. The question is which the following is a correct decreasing order of the bond strength. That's what it is. Once we find the bond order, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Bond order is inversely proportional to bond length, and that will be telling us whether the bond strength is going to be which is going to have more bond strength. Now, coming to this question, I hope choice C is correct. There's no doubt in that. But still, we'll have to figure out why this is having this one decreasing order. Now, when we come to nitrogen atom, it's very simple. Nitrogen atom contains 14 electrons. So, writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration, this is what it is with respect to nitrogen. So, and this is an explanation of KK star. It's from K cell. This is bonding, this is anti-bonding. Okay. Now, then comes sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz2. Now, when we figure out the bond order, it's number of bonding minus anti-bonding divided by 2. So, 10 minus 4 by 2, which is 3. Okay. Next. Therefore, number of sigma bonds equal to 1. It is accounting that sigma 2pz2, 2 electrons are there. Okay. This is what it is. Okay. Because of this, nitrogen has a bond order 3 and triple bond. Now, coming to N2 plus, we'll have to remove one electron from sigma 2pz2. If you remove one electron from 2pz2, number of bonds 1 will become 0.5. Okay, so this with respect to N2 plus, the one electron is removed from this. Therefore, if you calculate even the bond order, say you're calculating the bond order here, number of bonding minus anti-bonding by 2, you will get bond order will be for nitrogen into plus the bond order will be like this. Bond order is equal to half into, instead of 10 you will get 9, because this is bonding molecular orbital. 9 minus 4 divided by 2, which is 2.5. So bond order is 2.5. So compared to nitrogen plus is having bond order 2.5. Definitely the bond strength of this will be little bit less. Okay. So compared to N2 minus, when you add one electron, it will always go to highest antibonding orbital. So this will reach pi star 2px1, so antibonding molecular orbital has high energy. So add one electron to antibonding, bond order will become 2.5 here. But number of electrons in N2 minus are greater than N2 plus. Because of this, N2 minus will have greater electronic repulsion, which is not there in N2 plus. Because of this reason, N2 plus has greater bond strength. Despite of having the same bond order, N2 plus has a greater bond strength. Then comes N2 minus. Therefore, this is the decreasing order. Okay.